Okay, we've got a really good song for you today, but it's really easy as well, and you should add it to your repertoire. And that's the song The Rose by Bette Midler. It's in the key of C, and I'm going to show you in the key of C how you should play it as a solo singer-guitarist, but you can transpose it to whatever key that matches your vocal range, and you'll be good to go. And it's an easy song, so you should be just fine. All right, so it's all piano playing, really, but we're going to put it on the guitar and sort of do it in the same style that they do it. So we're going to start off with these top 3 strings. This is a C chord, and we're going to pluck the chords on the quarter notes like this. 1, 2, 3. Some say love, like that. Switch to a G. Same thing, quarter notes to an F, back up to the G, and to C. Pretty easy, right? And repeat, second verse, love, or not second verse, second line. Bum, bum. Okay, back to the G, C. Now we're going to really do a C minor 7 here, or C major 7. And then an A minor 7, there's 2 ways to do it. We can do it here, or we can do it here. This is probably the best place to go. Add the F note, make it an F. Take the middle finger off, and you're making it a G sus4, and then just put this finger here. That's a G7. Back to the C. G. Now when you start this, you're going to add a full chord. So you're making it more full as you go into the next verse. And if you want to, you can play this lick. So you're playing the 5th and the 1st string together. Then the 2nd string fretted on the 3rd fret. Then back to the 1st string and take that finger off. Go to the next verse and play that lick. Switch to the G, and you're going to do a similar thing. So that's 2nd string open, and then you're fretting on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Then back to the 2nd string open, and then the 3rd string open while you're playing a G chord. Then to the F, back to the G. So it's the same chords but more full. Da 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 da. Now here, it's a bigger sound. You've got harmony going on, so you'd play an E minor 7, da da da, A minor 7, da 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 da, F, da da, to a G7 sus4, G7, da to C. And that's essentially the song. You just kind of build it up by making the chords more full instead of these 3-note chords, triads, and you've got The Rose. Thanks for swinging by. I'll see you at the next one.